Hi everyone, I am Nayoka Kelly Campbell, founder of Kelly Fiscal LLC. So we decided to start this YouTube channel to be able to provide financial tips and tools to businesses and individuals so that they may be able to maintain a better financial health. We'll be discussing different financial tips and tools such as budgeting, ways how you can reduce your debt, ways how to track your money expenses. That takes little time. And we'll also discuss different financial apps, softwares that we believe would be beneficial in helping you to maintain your financial health. Now you may be wondering, what is Kelly Fiscal? Well, Kelly Fiscal basically offer bookkeeping and payroll services to businesses, and we also assist individuals in tracking their money expenses. Now, we understand that running a business can be overwhelming at times, and you need the time to run your daily operations smoothly. And this is where we come in. We come in to assist you. We are very cost effective. We provide accurate and professional bookkeeping and payroll services to everyone. So if you have a question, if you need a free consultation, if you need advice on your finances, please don't hesitate to contact us. My personal email is nayoka@kellyfiscal.com, and my number will also be entered in the description below. Please go ahead and submit your questions, send us an email, and we will reach out to you immediately. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so that you may be notified each time we upload a new video that will help you to maintain your financial health on a daily basis. Thank you guys for watching.